Good day all. We have gathered today for a first of its kind approach to teaching learning English language skills. SCERT has conceived a spoken English program that has the potential to go a long way in fostering English language communication skills among the learners. The first step towards this end is to equip the teachers with the necessary tools and provide students a conducive learning environment to listen and speak in English. The program has brought in a community of teachers, ELT practitioners, college, diet, SCERT and school teachers from across the state to create activity-based plans for every aspect of the English textbook from classes 4 to 9. The program requires the teaching learning of English to happen in English. In other words, the English textbook must be taught and learnt in English. Unless students are exposed to at least 40 minutes of only English words, phrases and sentences, they cannot develop their basic knowledge of the language. It is essential because in the long run, English language communication skills can help students build and establish a career of their choice in this competitive world. As English teachers, it is essential for us to remember that spoken English is best acquired only when the learner is constantly exposed to the language. Due to the pandemic, students have not had the access to such learning environment. They have not had the opportunity to listen and respond in English. It is listening to the language spoken by people in the immediate environment that can help in using the right choice of words in the correct manner, with the correct pronunciation and in the right context. Therefore, it is of utmost importance that the English teacher transacts the class only in English and encourage their students to speak in English by participating in the activity. It is also a known fact that over the years, use of bilingualism has reduced use of English, particularly in the English classes. There has been a lot of emphasis on understanding the concept, which explains the use of bilingualism. Though this cannot be denied, we must not stop with understanding, but must extend to getting the learners express their understanding of the concepts in English. To achieve this, their exposure to English language has to be widened. Once they develop good language skills, even if they understand the concepts in another language, they will be well equipped to express their understanding in English. The present program aims to achieve this by upscaling the teachers' English language skills and providing students opportunities to speak in English during the English period. This new approach may have teething troubles initially, but can be soon overcome if the momentum is maintained and never let off. This means the teachers must never switch over to using the regional language, even if students find it difficult to comprehend. A small explanation here and there is acceptable, but a complete switchover will derail the entire effort. It is mainly to avoid this scenario that the spoken English plans are structured at a microscopic level for every component of the textbook. This is done mainly to ensure that teachers do not fumble for ideas for activities during the class. The plans provide guidelines and recommendations for the teachers. Teachers are also encouraged to use their own strategies and activities to make the students converse in English. In all, the plans will provide ample support to the teacher to maintain an English-only and English-friendly atmosphere for the student during the English classes. I take this opportunity to wish everybody a pleasant and fruitful teaching learning experience using this approach. Thank you.